At a Senate Judiciary hearing on July 30th, Senator Kennedy asked William Mercer, who was seeking confirmation to be a federal judge for the District of Montana, about how he views the Constitution and states' rights. Watch the conversation unfold right here.
Can Congress pass a law that says cities are no longer able to participate in zoning? We're going to take it over at the federal level because we don't have enough houses. Would that be constitutional?
Senator Kennedy, I don't believe it would be.
Why not?
I believe that's the sort of thing that the Constitution has, not given Congress the authority under Article 1 to do that. And in fact,
Why not? On what basis?
in our system of federalism, those things that are not set forth in the Constitution are reserved to the states. And zoning is one of those quintessential public health, safety, welfare matters that we reserve to local government to resolve. And so I don't believe it would be permissible for this body to attempt to codify something in that regard.
So local government would win in that instance.
That is my understanding.
Okay, suppose local government came back and said, not only now that we've won and we have jurisdiction over our own zoning and our own housing laws. If you want to build a new house in our city, the permit is now $50,000. Can they do that?
Senator, essentially, I think the same analysis applies. I think that the local government would have the ability to establish that, and I don't think Congress could overrule it, and I think they would have the inherent authority to do so.
Why isn't that a taking under the United States Constitution and the Fifth Amendment?
Senator, that would be a whole different analysis, but I don't believe...
Same analysis. We just established they have the right to zone as they wish. And so and to regulate local housing. They're doing it. They're saying $50,000 to get a building permit. You're telling me that's constitutional?
Senator, I believe it would be. I think that they could establish that they need, in order to engage in the permitting process and go through what they need to do as a local government. I doubt very much whether that would be a violation under a compensable taking under the Fifth Amendment.
For more congressional news, stay tuned to Congress Clips, and thanks for watching.